which is a lot, honestly. Okay, I don't even know. Hi guys, it is Saturday. It sounds like it. Saturday. Beach. I'm with Adrian. His birthday is in 6 days, so we're gonna try to get some bomb photos of him. So we're in San Francisco. Beautiful. Which beach is this? Ocean Beach. It's behind me. Today, Adrian's a bartender today.
Oh my god, no, I'm not. I don't believe in alcohol.
Good. These are our little snacks. We didn't know what to bring.
Oh my god, why did she buy this big ass thing of gummy worms?
You guys already know.
Oh my god. Put the hot Cheetos in the corner.
Stacked. Okay, ready.
I should have bought some more orange juice.
Honey buns and hot Cheetos.
Yeah, honey buns, you know.
You still playing? Hi guys, so it's me, Danny, of course. And it's still Saturday, now it's Saturday night, and Adrian's in the back. He's choosing his photos, and we're about to go out and see the Ying Yang twins, and a lot of our friends are going, so we're super excited about that. This is the I don't know if that video's up, but I did a wig review, and I straightened the hair, and oh my gosh, it's so like natural looking, and like it straightened so well. And honestly the straightener that I used was aka trash, but you know, it's all good in the hood. It's my outfit of the night, outfit repeat. I wore this, I'm not sure, but I have worn this outfit plenty of times, at least 2 times, honestly. But yeah, black lip tonight, and I'm just gonna wear Darnisha's black heels. Thanks sis. But yeah, we're gonna have a really good time. So you guys should definitely follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, which I'll link below, so you guys could see everything that I be doing, which is a lot, honestly. So yeah, I really like how this hair straightened. It was really good. And you guys can sort of see the blue. I might have to dye it again, but yeah. See you guys later. Hey y'all, today's could be an exciting day. Darnisha's being a grown woman and taking her driver's test. Inches, y'all. Hair review coming soon, hopefully. Alright. I'm a little nervous, a bit nervous, but hopefully I pass, because this will be quite embarrassing. But I did watch a lot of YouTube videos, so hopefully that helps. A lot of people were like taking it 3 times. Oh heck no, we do things once. Okay. So yeah, we're about to go to Concord, and obviously I'm looking a mess. But we're about to go there and have Darnisha pass this exam, or driver's test. Bye guys. Darnisha's in line. Driving test. Is this her, guys? Driving. Here she goes. Darnisha, what happened?
I got my license.
Oh my gosh! Yeah! Rolling. Woo!
I know.
She passed?
No, she didn't.
Oh, what happened?
She hit the curb.
Oh, when she was parking.
I don't know.
Oh, when she got to go back.
I'm just kidding, Ma. She passed.
Oh, good. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh, my goodness, yes.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, so
Huh?
we're on our way home.
Okay, alright.
Hi guys, so right now we're at The Rock and I'm vlogging on my phone, so sorry for the quality. Adri's out here, Monica's out here, okay. Andros with the purple shirt is out here, okay. And you know, we're trying to finesse our way.
We're trying to get in for free.
Okay, for the free. Okay, Banks, shut up. I put a whole bunch of lip gloss on so people can see their reflections and see how a hit or miss they are. It's Adrian's birthday. It's Adrian's birthday. I should say that, huh? It's Adrian's birthday. And his best friend Sarah's here from Oregon.
Danny be holding me down on the, you know, West Coast down here. You know, you feel me, in the East Side. You know, feel me?
No, I don't know.
Sarah.
But I don't know.
Sarah.
So yeah, we out here. Adrian, stop trying to.